Hello, friends, and welcome once again to Seven Sons Aptitude Prep. I am Vinod Prabhu, your friend who assists you in becoming better at aptitude and helping you crack that dream job. Today, we are going to look at time and work problems, the fourth video on salary and wages. Okay, and we in this playlist we've looked at the basic concepts in the earlier videos. Request you to watch those videos if you haven't yet, and there are some more videos lined up. Please do watch all the videos so that you can perfect time and work. So the first concept is salary and wages mean the same. So people who haven't heard about wages, salary and wages mean the same. Relationship between work done and salary. So more the work you do, let us say you are doing more work than B. Okay, you are doing more work than B. Who do you think should get paid more? Obviously you. So work done, if work done is more, salary or payment or wages will also be more. Let us say on the other hand, okay, this is absolutely critical. This is work done. So work done, you are higher, B is lower, then salary paid would be higher to you and lower to B. But let us say days taken, you and B, you take more days, B takes less days. Then you will get paid less, B will get paid more. Why? If B is taking less days, it means he's more efficient. It means he's working faster. So he has to get paid more. Remember this. Work done, if it is more, so this is salary. If work done is more by you compared to another person, you will get more salary. If days taken are more by you, you will get lesser salary. This is absolutely critical. Do not get confused. Sometimes they give work, sometimes they give days. You have to be very, very careful. More work is more salary. If Rakesh and Ganesh work in the ratio 4:5, who has worked more and who should get paid more? 4:5. It is work, so it will be in this component. Who has worked more? Ganesh has worked more. Who should get paid more? Ganesh has to get paid more here. So Ganesh has worked more, get paid more. Work and payment is higher for Ganesh. Okay. So the approach is you simplify and get one day's work for all the people. They would have given some complicated sentences. You just simplify it, get one day's work for all the people. Let's say if there are 3 people, you get one day's work and do ratio. Okay, one day's work would be this. Let us say it is 1/8 is to 1/3 is to 1/4. Then you figure out, once you gotten the ratios, you try removing the fractions in the ratio. You try multiplying by the LCM. Okay, 8, 3, 4. The LCM is 24. So the same ratio can also be written as multiplied by 24. 24 by 8 is 3, 24 by 3 is 8, and 24 by 4 is 6. You get this as the ratios. This and this are the same. Just multiplied by the LCM, it is the same. Now, if you have to find B's share, you take this 8, divide by the sum 3 plus 8 plus 6. This is B share. What is C share? 6 divided by 3 plus 8 plus 6. And A share is 3 divided by 3 plus 8 plus 6. Of how much? Of whatever payment they get. If they get 100 rupees, the respective B share is this much, C share is this much. Okay, this and this should match. This and this should match. A share is this and this will match of 100. Okay, so we've seen that salary and wages mean the same. Work done is more than salary is more. Days taken are more than salary is less. So we simplify and get one day's work for all the people and try to remove the fractions in the ratio. Will make the calculation easier. How do you remove the fractions in the ratio? Multiply by LCM. And then you using ratio proportion, where you take someone's share as 8, let's say B share as 8 divided by sum of A plus B plus C is 3 plus 8 plus 6 into whatever is the amount given. Okay, let's look at a few problems. Sunil can do a piece of work in 10 days. Sandeep can do a piece of work in 15 days. Now days are given. Remember, it's not the work done directly that is given. He says piece of work in 10 days. Sandeep can do a piece of work in 15 days. So what is find the number of work done in, as the amount of work done in 1 day. Sunil is to, so if you look at the question, before we saw, who should get paid more? Should it be Sunil or Sandeep? Sunil is taking less days, right? So he should get paid more. We'll see whether that is the case. Sunil's 1 day's work is 1 by 10 and Sandeep's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 15. What is the ratio then? Sunil is to Sandeep 1 by 10 is to 1 by 15, which is 15 is to 10. Okay, which how do you get 15 is to 10? 1 by 10 divided by 1 by 15, that will be 15 by 10, which is 15 is to 10, which is 3 is to 2. Sunil and Sandeep should get paid in the ratio 3 is to 2. So what is the payment? Total payment is 500. So what is Sunil's share? Sunil's share equal to 3. Okay, take this divided 3 plus 2, add both into 500. Okay, and what is Sandeep's share? Sandeep's share similarly will be 2 divided by 3 plus 2 into 500. So 3 by 5 into 500 is Sunil's share is 300 rupees. Sandeep's share is 2 by 5 into 500. Sandeep's share is 200 rupees. You have seen that Sunil is getting paid more because he is taking less days, which means he is more efficient. So he gets paid more. Sunil gets 300, Sandeep gets 200. Harish and Girish take up a work for 36,000 rupees. Harish can do the work in 12 days, Girish can do it in 18 days. Okay, if they complete the work with the help of C in 6 days, how much should we pay to C? So the first thing to do is to find how many days does C take to finish the work. Okay, so Harish's 1 day work plus Girish's 1 day work plus C's 1 day work is how much? They can finish in 6 days. So their work in 1 day would be 1 by 6. So Harish's 1 day work is 1 by 12 plus Girish's 1 day work is 1 by 18 plus 1 by x is equal to 1 by 6. So I get 1 by x as 1 by 6 minus 1 by 12 minus 1 by 18. The LCM is 36. 6 minus 3 minus 2, which is 1 by 36. So C alone takes 36 days. I find the 1 day work of Harish. Okay, Harish is to Girish is to C is 1 by 12 is to 1 by 18 is to 1 by 36. Okay, so if I multiply by 36, I get 3 is to 2 is to 1. That is the ratio. Now what is the amount to be paid to C? This is C's share, this one. So I do 1 divided by 3 plus 2 plus 1 into 36,000, which is 36,000 by 6. C share is 36,000 by 6, which is 6,000 rupees. What is Girish's share? Girish's share will be 2 divided by 3 plus 2 plus 1 into 36,000. Okay, which will be 6,000 into 2, 12,000, and Harish will get 6,000 into 3, 18,000. So Harish will get 18,000, Girish will get 12,000, and C will get 6,000. Amount is in the ratio 3 is to 2 is to 1. Sum is 36,000, hence verified. Father and son were paid 20,000 for 10 days of work they did jointly. Father is 4 times efficient as the son, okay, which means if father takes x days, son takes 4x days. Okay. So 1 day's work of, so this is father takes x days, son takes 4x days. 1 day's work of father is 1 is to x, 1 day's work of son is 1 is to 4x. So if I divide, I get 4 is to 1. 4x is to x, which is 4 is to 1. That is how they have to be paid. Now find the per day payment received by the younger member, which means the son. This is father, this is son. So son will get 1 divided by 4 plus 1 into 20,000. Okay, that will be son's share, which is 1 by 5 into 20,000. So son will get 4,000 rupees. Father will get 16,000 rupees. So is 4,000 the answer? 4,000 is not the answer because that is for 10 days. In 1 day, he will get 4,000 by 10, which is equal to 400 rupees. Let's continue with the next problem. 8 dancers or 12 singers earn 4,000 rupees per day. How much will 7 dancers and 11 singers earn? So first thing to see in such questions is there is an OR here. Okay, sorry, there's an R here and there is an and here. So what does 8 dancers or 12 singers earn 4,000 mean? 8 dancers earn 4,000 rupees. One dancer earns, so one dancer earns 4,000 by 8, 500 rupees per day. Similarly, 12 singers earn 4,000. One singer earns 4,000 by 12, which is 333 rupees per day. 333.33 here. So how much will 7 dancers and 11 singers earn? So 7 dancers will earn 7 into 500, which is 3,500, and 11 dancers will earn 11 into 333.33. Okay, so if you want to do that, okay, if you do this, you'll get roughly this amount. You add these two. Okay, if you add these two, you get, so together they earn 7,166.63. Things to remember here are, this is R and so this is AND. Okay, this will be recurring, 3333 recurring, so this might be 6666 recurring, so it might be 7166.6666 because it's recurring. Next question. 2 boys and a girl complete the work in 28 days, while 4 girls and 2 boys complete it in 16 days. If a girl gets 800 rupees per day, how much will a boy get? So we have 2b plus 1g 1 by 28, and here 2b plus 4g. Okay, remember they've interchanged it. So that's why boys, if you are writing first, shouldn't get confused. Is equal to 1 by 16. 56b plus 28g equals 32b. Why have I said equal? Can someone tell me? It's because if I cross multiply, this part becomes 56g plus 56b plus 28g. And this part becomes 32b plus 64g. But they are both equal to 1, so I will equate that. And if I substitute, 24b is equal to 36g. B is equal to 36 by 24, 3 by 2g. This shows that a boy is working 1.5 times that of a girl. Okay, the number of days is not the number of days, it's the work done by a boy is 1.5 times of that of a girl. If a girl is getting 800, boy will get 1.5 times 800, which is 1,200 rupees. Okay, so we looked at questions on time and work in this playlist. Okay, we started off from the concepts and then progressively we increased the difficulty level, and I hope you are now feeling that time and work is an animal that can be tamed, that you can attempt time and work questions. They're not going to be very tough. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up sign, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you do not miss our regular uploads. Please visit our channel regularly to see what is new and learn from them. And also, if you have any doubts or feedback, please leave it in the comment section and share it with your friends. People who haven't heard of us, spread the love. You've heard of us from someone, so pass it on to someone else who hasn't heard of us, who doesn't have the resources to prepare. Please do help them and help us. And if you need more practice on company specific tests, on questions, please visit our website 7senstalent.com, sign up and log in, and then start using the resources available. And if you only can use the free resources, please do, absolutely no issues. So I want to thank you for spreading the word. I want to thank you for showing your love, and I want you to thank you for your time. Thank you so much.